to go. I don't know how many.
Can you see?
Yeah, you can sort of see me. Not
Hi.
On Dad's phone.
He's too dark to see anyone. There's loads of lights.
I'm on one step.
Careful, 'cause it's slippy on the steps.
Oh, now it's coming brighter, right? Oh. Matter. Is the next one coming on?
Now, Dad can do it.
Next one. What's gonna happen next? You can't see that well because it's night time. Because we're doing fireworks. I'm enjoying.
And me, Lydia Rose.
Yep, the person from my James Bond Night on Fire video.
And we've got Ruby. Ready?
Yeah, we've got Ruby. Yeah.
Hey!
Awesome!
Why is she looking out the window?
Yep. The last one, is it? Yeah.
Oh, is that a firework?
Got it?
That's awesome.
Not sure.
This is on. It turns out into a frog.
Oh, this turns out into a frog apparently. Oh,
Funky frog one.
funky frog. Funky frog.
Funky frog.
I'm actually pointing in the sky this second. Get that down there. Can't really see it.
It's got a light shining at the back.
What's going on?
It's a computer.
Recording. Did it?
That's it. Where is it?
Yeah, that's
What's this one?
it's a grand one.
Oh, it's a ground one. Awesome. I'm losing my voice a bit.
Yeah, our next one's got good. We've only got 3, what my mum bought. My dad.
I wonder if we're going to do the kite.
I think it's a brown one.
Let's go fly a kite up to the air.
I've got to stand here.
Why?
Ruby.
Yeah.
Stand next to Laura. Stand close.
Sort of.
Lydia.
It's not on the video, but in real life, yeah. Okay, that's not that bad.
Who's doing that?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No.
It's recording. Oh, shadows.
This, look at this. See the little orange bit? That's it, fuzzing. This.
Whoa. Look at the frog in the middle.
Oh, can you see the frog? You can't really see it on the video. You can see in real life, though. Oh, it's awesome. Whoa. Oh, it's smoke everywhere.
That's lasted quite a while, hasn't it?
That's lasting ages. Ooh, done.
You free. Turn around. Give me that a minute. Just give it me a minute. God, it's like right, Elliot, can you just stand there a minute? It's all right. Ready? Ruby. Mandy, Oh, hang on, you've got some sparklers.
Yeah.
I ain't done yet. I ain't done it. Darren, why can't you... Ruby, stand with them like you belong together. Ready? Ready? Smile. Again?
Wow. How many?
Well, this... I don't like this. I don't like this phone.